Dear students, when the spring season comes, that time there is a great changing in the nature, because in winter season there are a lot of problems, and those all problems solved in spring season. Spring is called the king of seasons. Why the spring is king of seasons? That you will know when you read your poem Winter and Spring. So let's start the poem Winter and Spring. First I will recite this poem. After that I will explain the poem. The poem is Winter and Spring. Cruel winter froze the stream, made all things hard with ice and snow. The creatures shivered, the flowers died, nothing could live and nothing could grow. Then came summer's kindly warmth, the sun shone down with love and light, the hard ice cracked and melted away, and life bloomed again in colors bright. So, this was the poem. What does the poem say? Cruel winter froze the stream, made all things hard with ice and snow. Here, the adjective used for winter is cruel. It means winter is cruel. How is it cruel? Because it freezes the stream. A stream which is a source of water, that time the stream freezes. It is so cold. And it makes all things hard with ice and snow, because everywhere you will find ice and snow in winter season. Whether this is stream, this is tree, this is house, all things are covered with ice and snow, and due to ice and snow all things become very hard. Even the rivers, streams, etc. freeze in this cruel winter season. The creatures shivered, the flowers died, nothing could live and nothing could grow. What happens in winter season? The creatures shivered because there is cold. The creatures feel a lot of problems. It is very difficult for them to survive. They can't find food for them. It is so cold that they shiver. They want to get warmth, but they cannot get it. Even the flowers died. Flowers cannot grow in this season because they don't get sunlight. Sunlight which is necessary for growing a plant, for blooming a flower. Nothing could live in it, nothing could grow in it. So, as I have told you, that trees are full of ice and snow, trees are covered with ice and snow, flowers cannot bloom in such a season. Then came summer's kindly warmth, the sun shone down with love and light. After that, summer season comes. The summer season is very kind. It is the opposite of winter season. Winter season is cruel, but summer season is kind. It is kind because it brings warmth with it. And this warmth is very useful for the plant, for the creatures. When the sun shines, that time it brings love and light with it. Love is the most powerful thing to grow in this world. Without love, even you cannot grow, you cannot develop. So the sun brings love and light with it. Sunlight is very necessary, very useful for plants, for creatures, for animals, for human beings. And in summer season we get warmth. The hard ice cracked and melted away, and life bloomed again in colors bright. When the summer season comes, that time ice cracks, ice melts, and again it changes into water. That time again the stream started flowing. You can find the stream flowing. You will again see that all the ice which were present on the trees or on houses all have melted, and now the nature looks very beautiful. Once again the nature fills with colors, and this color is seen in the nature. The nature becomes bright and it brings happiness. Color is the symbol of happiness here, and in our life, happiness comes. In the nature, happiness comes, and in happiness, the whole nature becomes colorful. Thank you. Have a nice day.